Can purchase icharttop app at the Apple Store or Google Play. Welcome to icharttop tutorial. This is an update to Rio Tinto, and we're going to do we're going to work out how a from date and a to date works on our icharttop app. Now, we've had our correction occurring, which was on the 13th of the 6th, 2014. That's when we write our from date, which is the 13th of the 6th, 2014. Now we're going to do a minute wave. Now we've got our first wave, we've got our second wave, we've got our third wave, we've got our fourth wave. Our fourth wave, we write a to date, which is the 20th of the 6th, 2014. And it will calculate a minor target price for us for a W5, and the target price was $63.39, and we had our minor W5, and it closed at $63.21. And also I would like to explain to you how we establish our W4. Now we've got our first wave, we've got our second wave, we've got our third wave. This is our fourth wave. The reason why it is established on that particular date, which is the 20th, because the 20th date is lower point than the 25th date on the 25th of June. So that if it was this on the 24th of June was the lowest point, that would be a W4, a W3, because then it will calculate at a higher than what the actual W5 is at the moment. It will give us a higher W5. So that's why that we have to use the lowest point of a W4 from a W3 to a W4. So a W4 worked out to be $58.53, where the W4, if it was placed on the 25th, would give us $58.62, and that's how we establish our position of our W4s. And then we're going to do a longer term trade where we start again. We do our from date, the 13th of the 6th, 2014. We write it on our icharttop app, and then that'll be that's a W1, a W2, a W3, a W4. A W4 is when we write our to date for a major wave count for a W5. A to date, which is the 11th on the 7th of 2014. It'll work out a target price for us. It'll calculate it. And the target price for a W5 is $71.19 for a W5. And we are still waiting for that W5 to occur, and it looks like it might be in the next couple of days. And also, in the meantime, just to double check, it's always best to double check to see if everything's still okay. I'd like to do another count if it's possible, if you can find that wave count. And there's one here that it appears to be no problem. Now I've got a W4. I normally write for a minute wave a from date, which is the 11th of the 7th, 2014, and then now as you can see, I've got one wave, two waves, three waves, fourth wave. On our fourth wave is when I write a to date on the icharttop app, which is the 21st of the 7th, 2014, and then it will calculate a target price for us for a minute W5, and that worked out target price for a minute W5 was $70.20. So we're still waiting, and we'll see what happens the next couple of days, and we'll keep you informed to let you know we'll give you more updates to Rio Tinto. Thank you very much for listening to icharttop app.